Oh, sure. Anyone can do that with animation.
The Rubik's Cube.
Oh, listen, this is a very important. I'm sorry. This thing's impossible. No, you can't.
Let me see it.
See, that's all I ever do.
Yeah, basically he's trying to do that in the taxi cab ride. This thing would take forever.
You're almost there. Good job.
I gotta go try to give you one of these.
Perfect cube. Never twisted before, ever. Just open. Says an 8-year-old can do this? It's silly, crazy. Stupid thing. I swear I can do this. Good night, Rubik's Cube. Man, 72 hours into it. I almost got it done. I just have a couple more left. Dang it! Okay, highest doubles go. Right? Alright, highest. I have just one double. It's not very high. You?
Nines.
Sweet.
Ooh.
Dang. A little smoking on those doubles, eh?
Yeah, just a couple of. Of course, I can't tell you what's in the rest of my hand here. Alright, dominoes. Ooh. You did see that, did you? How hard is it to play a blank when it goes there? There, bud?
Hey, bud, why'd you do that? I don't know. Every double you had just made me think of my Rubik's Cube. I didn't want to play
what?
Rubik's Cube, you know. And so every double that you had just made me think of it more. Like when I had the perfect cube, and then when I had the I cube, and when I had X marks the spot. It's like,
It's a cube.
yeah, you just don't understand.
Like a game cube? Is it
I'm addicted to the Rubik's Cube. Hello. Sorry that
That's
I ruined
from
the dominoes thing.
you're in a separate universe. I'm just realizing here. Rubik's. Okay.
So
okay.
will you forgive me for
Alright.
messing up the dominoes?
That's
stuff?
alright. That's okay. I think it's.
Oh, we're ready to go? Okay. The Rubik's Cube.
So what are you doing these days since you mastered the Rubik's Cube?
Well, I don't know. I thought that I might, oh, I remember I just printed this out.
Really? What is it?
4x4 Rubik's Cube.
Ah.
It starts all over.